Now let's move on to the brake system warning light. This could indicate severely worn brake pads, low brake fluid, or other brake system faults. Your brakes are crucial for your safety, and any malfunction can severely impair braking performance, increasing the risk of accidents. If this light comes on, check the brake fluid level and the condition of your brake pads. If you notice reduced stopping power, stop the vehicle immediately and get professional help. Safety first, always. Airbag warning light. This one is serious. It signals faults with the airbag system, sensors, or electrical issues. Airbags are key to your vehicle's safety, and if they malfunction, they may not deploy correctly in a collision, putting you and your passengers at great risk. If this light comes on, have your vehicle inspected and repaired by a professional at a certified service center. Don't take any chances with your safety. Finally, we have the coolant temperature warning light. This light indicates that your engine coolant is overheating or that coolant levels are low. High coolant temperatures can cause engine overheating, leading to severe damage like cylinder seizure. Low coolant levels can prevent your engine from cooling effectively. If this light comes on, stop your vehicle immediately. Check the coolant level and your cooling system's operation. Add coolant if necessary or seek assistance. It's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your engine's temperature. So there you have it, a quick guide to some of the most important warning lights on your dashboard. Remember, these lights are there to help you avoid bigger problems down the road. If you ever see one of these lights pop up, don't ignore it. Stay safe, stay informed, and happy driving.